morning. This week we've had a lot of snow in Switzerland. It's been really beautiful. I think we've had here in Baar between 30 and 40 centimeters. So I'm now out to enjoy the snow a little bit. It did fall a couple of days ago, so all the snow falling now is everything melting from the trees. It's easy to get hit by a bit of a snow shower. But I really wanted to get out and enjoy the snow, so I've decided to walk from Baar up on the back of the Zugerberg all the way to the top, and then head over to the scenic, I think it's the scenic train station. So it's a good couple of kilometers on the back of a hill that climbs up as we kind of wind along. But I thought it would be a nice place to go and enjoy and just be in the snowy paradise for a little bit. So I'll keep you updated. Approaching a spot now that I loved hiking to in summer. I really wasn't sure if it was going to be open during winter, but the path seems to be open. So we're going to take a look and see what it looks like. It's also going to be where I make my first break for today and have some nice warm rooibos tea. I've been here a lot of times before in the summer. Obviously it doesn't look like this. It's a very much like a leafy fairy glen, but I had no idea in winter that this would be so beautiful. So I'm glad I've made it. It was quite a popular spot, and there's been a few other couples that walk past, but I can see why. Like, I've never seen anything like this before. Switzerland, it's quite cool because if the yellow path or the Wanderweg says that you can go through farms, then you generally can. So the paths sometimes cross between a lot of different farms and you get to see a little bit of what's happening. And that way there's so many different hiking routes across Switzerland as well. I've actually put my snowshoes on again because the snow got a bit thicker. We moved off from the tar road back onto the snow and ice. And it's my first time wearing them, so I bought them on Friday and they were the essential winter hiking item I did not realize I needed. But I would say just having these snow spikes, chains, probably take away like 50 to 60% of the effort. It just moves a lot easily, and the reasons we also went for snow chains instead of just studs with the spikes is because then the chains help grip on the snow and then the spikes help grip on the ice. So if there's like snow covering ice, apparently it's really good. I know that's what the mountaineering saleswoman told me. So I went with that. It's really worth it. Makes everything a lot easier. Even if it's not a crazy hike, but just any amount of snow. Yeah. much here. Now, in an ideal situation, I would have had a high sea chocolate, my traditional mountain hot chocolate. But everything's closed in Switzerland with the restrictions, so I'm going to have to wait to get home.